Hi, I'm Nash, and I'm a Mayvenn certified stylist, and we're gonna walk you through the steps of how to bleach your knots on your lace closure.
When you're bleaching the knots on a lace closure, you want to start by mixing your lightener and developer in a clean bowl. Try mixing it into a thicker consistency to make the product easier to control. Hold the closure out on your gloved hand or pin it, with the lace facing up on a sturdy wig head. Using a color brush, lightly place the bleach all over the lace. Make sure the knots are light enough to blend into the lace. Let the bleach sit for 15 to 20 minutes, but keep an eye on the lifting process. Remember that higher volume developers process more quickly. Don't forget to thoroughly shampoo and condition when it's finished processing.